Did you know that laser weapons are no longer just science fiction? In fact, the US military is already testing high-powered lasers that can take out drones and missiles faster, cleaner, and more precisely than ever before. So let's talk about the Space Force, the newest branch of the US military. Its mission? To protect US interests beyond the atmosphere, from satellites to spaceborne threats. Now imagine equipping this futuristic force with real, functioning laser weapons. The game has officially changed. Here's the big challenge: traditional missile defense systems are expensive, sometimes clunky, and can be overwhelmed by swarms of fast-moving threats. Think about hypersonic missiles, relentless drone attacks, and even potential anti-satellite weapons. The US military needs something faster, more precise, and honestly, a lot cooler. Enter laser weapon systems. The big question has always been, can a beam of light really defend against modern threats in the chaos of conflict? Let's break down the tech. Laser weapons focus directed energy into a powerful, invisible beam that travels at the speed of light. No need to worry about running out of ammo, just keep the power flowing. Lasers offer pinpoint accuracy, minimal collateral damage, and the ability to instantly switch targets. Plus, they're surprisingly cost-effective compared to firing million-dollar missiles. The Space Force is already running experiments on mounting laser systems to satellites and ground-based defense platforms. Recently, they've even tested lasers that can disable or destroy incoming drones and missiles mid-flight, sometimes in under a second. And here's the key moment in June: the Space Force made headlines by confirming successful trials of a mobile laser defense system. This isn't just about shooting down missiles, this is a leap toward defending critical space assets, blinding enemy sensors, and reshaping how nations think about warfare above the clouds. The strategic impact? Massive. Lasers could give the US a crucial edge, making attacks on satellites and ground targets far riskier and more difficult for adversaries. So, here's the bottom line: laser weapons are becoming a reality, and the Space Force is leading the charge. It's not just about bigger guns, it's about smarter, faster, and more effective defense. What do you think? Are laser weapons the future of military tech, or just another expensive experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more deep dives on the latest in military technology, make sure to check out my next video.